Ever wondered how taxes and duties work? Ever been perplexed about the kind of duties, who levies them, and why they are so important? Especially when it comes to importing goods, understanding taxes and duties is crucial. A common mistake made by many is failing to check the taxes and duties applicable to their product in their respective countries. The result? A myriad of problems once the product arrives. So, we're here to shed some light on the terminology of taxes and duties to help you sail smoothly through your import journey. Taxes and duties, a phrase that might seem complex but is actually simple when you break it down. It all starts with something called a performance invoice. This document should ideally contain the Harmonized System Code, or as it's commonly known, the HS code, along with the product description. This HS code is what determines the taxes and duties for each product, but here's the catch: you can't determine the taxes and duties based on the product's picture or a vague description. It's all about the HS code. For instance, let's say you're importing aluminum. There are several HS codes for different types of aluminum. Misquoting the HS code can lead to major problems at the port and even result in fines. Now, for those who are thinking of importing without a clearing agent or forwarder, thinking it will save money, here's some food for thought. A wrong HS code can cost you dearly. Manufacturers, traders, and exporters all have HS codes, and they can give it to you. If not, consider hiring a clearing agent. They can guide you through the entire process, from collection to clearing, and it's worth the small fee. Next, you need to look at the Free Onboard or FOB port. This is the port from where your stock will be shipped to your destination. Following this, you need to check the FOB amount, which is the cost of getting the product to the port nearest to the supplier. So to summarize, understanding taxes and duties is all about knowing the HS code of your product, hiring a clearing agent if needed, and understanding the FOB port and amount. With this knowledge, importing becomes a breeze, avoiding unnecessary hiccups and surprises. Remember, knowledge is power. And in the world of import and export, understanding taxes and duties is a powerful tool to have. So, the next time you're planning to import a product, remember these points and save yourself from unwanted trouble. Happy importing. Happy